Today, we're diving deep into Kaspa, a crypto that's been making waves with a stunning 13% surge in just the last 24 hours. In this video, we'll explore what's driving this bullish momentum, break down the key technical indicators, and discuss whether Kaspa can break through major resistance levels to spark a fresh rally. So, buckle up and let's get right into it. Before we jump in, here's a quick reminder. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Let's start with a snapshot of the current market activity. Kaspa's price recently surged by 13% in just 24 hours, a move that's caught the attention of both retail traders and institutional players alike. Even more impressive is the overall trend of the past 5 days, where Kaspa has seen an increase of over 40%. That kind of momentum, especially after a long period of bearish trends, is something you don't see every day in the altcoin market. Now let's talk about context. Kaspa hit its all-time high of $0.2075 on August 1st, 2024. However, after reaching that peak, the upward momentum couldn't be sustained, and the price began a downward spiral, trapping many investors in bearish sentiment. Fast forward to today, the shift in price dynamics is evident. According to CoinMarketCap data, Kaspa is currently trading around $0.079, and with a daily trading volume that's soared by 85%, there's a strong indication that buying interest is returning to the market. One of the key signals we're seeing right now is coming from the technical side. The MACD indicator has formed a bullish cross. For those who aren't familiar, a bullish MACD cross typically suggests that the buying momentum is picking up and that we might see further price appreciation. Along with this, the MACD histogram has turned green, reinforcing the positive trend. Even the RSI, another critical indicator, is showing an upward trajectory, even though it's currently in a neutral zone. This tells us that while Kaspa isn't overbought just yet, the underlying strength is building steadily. Combined, these technical signals are pointing toward renewed bullish sentiment after what has been a prolonged bearish phase. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Kaspa is at a critical juncture, often described as a do-or-die situation by many analysts. The key to unlocking a fresh rally lies in breaking two crucial resistance levels: the 50-day EMA at around $0.092 and the 200-day EMA at about $0.121. Imagine these EMAs as psychological barriers for the market. If Kaspa can break above these levels, it could signal to traders that the worst might be behind us and pave the way for a significant upward trend. On the flip side, if Kaspa fails to breach these resistance points, we might see the bearish trend persist a bit longer. It's essentially a tipping point. A breakout here could ignite a rally, while a failure might mean we're still in for more choppy, downward movement. Volume is another critical factor to consider. Right now, Kaspa's trading volume has experienced a significant jump, up by 85% over the past day. This surge in volume, paired with a volume-to-market ratio of 4.25%, suggests that there's genuine buying interest rather than just speculative noise. High volume often confirms that price moves are backed by real market participation, which is always a good sign for any asset looking to break out. Additionally, Kaspa's market cap currently stands at around $2.04 billion with a 24-hour trading volume nearing $95.68 million. These figures not only illustrate the scale of Kaspa's influence in the altcoin space, but also underline why traders and investors are closely watching this breakout scenario. With increasing liquidity and rising market cap, Kaspa appears to be regaining some much-needed confidence after its prolonged bearish phase. Now, let's dive into the broader technical summary provided by TradingView. Out of 25 technical indicators analyzed, the picture is a mix. 7 indicators signal a buy, 10 are neutral, and 8 suggest a sell. This might seem confusing at first glance, so what does it really mean for Kaspa? In simple terms, while there is a healthy dose of caution in the market, the fact that nearly a third of the indicators are on the buying side cannot be overlooked. This blend of signals indicates that while Kaspa is currently in a recovery mode after a bearish spell, the overall sentiment is starting to shift. It's like watching a storm clear. There's residual uncertainty, but the skies are beginning to look brighter. So here we are at the million-dollar question. Can Kaspa break through those key resistance levels to kickstart a robust rally? As we've discussed, if Kaspa manages to surge past the 50-day EMA at $0.092 and the 200-day EMA at $0.121, it could be a signal for a fresh uptrend. Breaking these levels would not only boost investor confidence, but also likely attract even more buyers into the market. But here's the catch. If Kaspa can't overcome these hurdles, then we might be in for more volatility. The asset could continue to trade in a bearish environment, and the long-term decline may persist. It's a do-or-die scenario. One move could change the trajectory of this altcoin's price entirely. That's why keeping an eye on these technical markers is so crucial for anyone involved in the Kaspa market. Let's take a step back and look at the broader picture. For those of you who are thinking about getting involved with Kaspa or increasing your position, it's important to consider the potential rewards alongside the risks. Yes, the bullish indicators are promising, but remember that crypto markets are notoriously volatile. A breakout might drive the price higher, but any false move could quickly reverse that momentum. Smart investing in volatile markets like this often comes down to risk management. It's crucial to set clear entry and exit points. Consider using stop-loss orders, and only invest what you're prepared to lose. Diversification remains key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if the signs look positive for Kaspa. Stay informed, keep an eye on the technical levels, and remember that market sentiment can shift rapidly. To sum it up, Kaspa is showing some intriguing signs of recovery after a long bearish phase. With a 13% surge in the past day, a significant 40% rise over 5 days, and a volume spike that confirms renewed interest, the question remains, can it break above the 50-day and 200-day EMAs to ignite a full-scale rally? Only time will tell. For now, it's a fascinating watch and one that all crypto enthusiasts should keep an eye on. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Kaspa's current momentum and potential breakout, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Do you think Kaspa will break these resistance levels, or are we in for more turbulence? Let's get the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay informed, invest smart, and keep riding the crypto waves. Until next time, happy investing and stay crypto curious.